lecture now. So it is today we are going to learn about Bellis pernissus, the great remedy for any surgical wound. Okay, I'll tell you the study which we had done when I was posted. My posting was there in a gynecological department. We were done the we can say it was a basic study. It was not as a research. Uh, Somewhere we read about the surgical affinity responses of Bellispur or results of Bellispur in surgical cases. So we were decided to experience it. So we were decided patients who are undergone C-section, that cesarean section. In some patients, we decided to give Bellispur. Okay, normally. For discharge of such patient, to get discharge of cesarean sections patient, they need almost 8 days, minimum 8 days, maximum 15 days as per their requirement. If there are any complications occur, then the time will be more than normal. Okay, so normally they require 8 days, and we decided that we will start giving Belisper in all patients. Okay, some of patients were ready to take homeopathic medicine, some were not, because they are not aware about it. Okay, the patients who are aware about homeopathic medicines, they started taking homeopathic medicines. Just after cesarean section, we are giving them arnica and Belisper. Okay, after that Belisper were continued uh, for a patient almost for 3 or 4 days. The patient who were on Belisper, who were taking Belisper 30 TDS for 3 or 4 days, they can walk or they can moving around within 2 days. Okay, so they have little comfort, or their pain will be disappear very soon. But the patients who are not taking that Belisper, that those patients cannot move within 2 days. Okay, so after seeing that such patients are moving around after taking Belisper, all the patients started asking us about the Belisper. Okay, asking us about the homeopathic medicine. So this is you can say this is experience about the Belisper, especially in a surgical cases where there is abdominal injury or surgical injury. It will gives you a lot of early cure, you can say. Okay, so we will understand Belisper. So this is flower of Belisper. Look towards this flower. This is so beautiful flower. Common name daisy, woundwort, or bruised wort. Okay, so yes. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, we had asked all you to join the meeting. So look at this flower. I was talking about this flower. Look at this flower. This is really beautiful flower. You can see. Okay, and families compositive part use the whole fresh plant. Okay, tincture is made up of whole fresh plant, and later it get potentized and then it has been used. Habitat Europe, or mostly in a Great Britain. Okay, mostly this seen in a Great Britain. So I'll tell you how this called as a Bellis pernissus. Bellis pernissus perennis. This is the translated from Latin. Try to understand. The name has been translated from Latin. Bellis meaning pretty, very pretty, and perennis means perennial or forever. Okay, so pretty forever. Okay, it is nothing but pretty forever. You may know it is a lawn daisy. Okay, so common name of a daisy is corruptions of day eye, and is a reference that the way flower closes at the night and open in the day. So try to understand that flower get closed at the night and get open in the day. So it has been named as such daisy. Okay, so old name of a wound wart or bruise wart shows one of the main sphere of action of bellies, and Ellis in actions it with follow composite arnica and calendula. try to understand it. When you are going to use any if you are going to see any case of a injury, you will understand about arnica, you will think about calendula, you will think about hip herself. But before that hip herself, you have to think about belly spur, because it have that specific action about the injury. Okay, in ancient Rome, the surgeon who accompanied the Roman legions into battle would order their slave to pick up sacks of full daisies in order to extract their juices. Bellum, Latin for war, may be the origin of this plant's scientific name. Okay, so the scientific name Balis perennis was come up with such you can say historical history of this plant. Okay, so bandages were soaked in the juices, and wounds they has been used to bind swords and spear cuts. Okay, so belly spear was used, the juice of this belly spear was used to apply in a wounds because of, which has been occurred with the swords. Okay, and cuts in the cuts, this juice has been used. Okay, so that it will get healed very early. Baylis pernicis flower have been used traditional Austrian medicine internally as a tea, or leaves as the salad for a treatment of disorder of gastrointestinal and respiratory tract. So this is really very useful plant, you can say. Sphere of actions on blood vessels, it leads to hemorrhages and venous stasis, nerves injury with soreness, muscle and deeper tissues, sprain, bruises, or swelling. Okay, there are sprain, bruises, and swelling. So, if you are going to look towards the muscle tissues, there is in all deeper tissue, as it has been written. So, in surgical cases, this is really a great remedy. Okay, so clinically, it has been used for acne, arterial disease of boils, brain softening of. Okay, it has been written over here, brain softening of. It means brain atrophy. Okay, cerebral atrophy. Then it has been used for fatigue, giddiness, gout. This is a great remedy for gout. Huh? Headache, indigestion, masturbation, psoriasis, railway spine, because of trauma. Okay, then rheumatism, sleeplessness, spleen affections, stasis, traumatism, tumor, or varicosis. Okay, so this is remedy for all this type of complaints. And mind it well, for varicosity, this remedy has leads to really a great complaints. So, if you want to understand about all this importance, it has been used in lot many cases. Okay, and then elements from injury, blow, fall, railway spine. Due to injury, there is blow or fall or any because of railway spine leads to tumors near or remote effects. Okay, cold drinks, getting wet when overheated. Okay, these all are you can say elements from. And auto traumatism, excess masturbations leads to a problem. Okay, then keynotes, it is the first remedy in injury to deeper tissue after major surgical work. Okay, this is the first keynote you have to understand about. The first keynote is in the injury to deeper tissue after major surgical work. And this typical line made us to give those patients who are gone under cesarean section this belly spur. We had thought about other remedies also, but we thought first about belly spur because of this stasis, a period of a state of inactivity or equilibrium. And fact, that is exhaust in the keynote of the remedy. Okay, stasis, a period of state of inactivity or equilibrium. Just a state, just a silentness, the stasis come off or fag come off, means exhaustion come off, is the keynote of this remedy. Exudation, stasis, swelling of all kinds, varicose vein, engorgement of breast and uterus, cerebral stasis, etc. You can use this remedy in all such cases. Traumatism of pelvic organ with the sore, bruised feeling. Okay, autotraumatism such as ill effect of masturbation. Railway spine is a traumatic neurosis. Injury, muscular fiber of the blood vessels, muscular fibers of the blood vessels, soreness, lameness as if sprain, soreness and weakness as if sprain has been occurred. How injury look like, how is the feel of injury, try to understand it. Muscular fibers of the blood vessel, soreness and lameness as if sprain, venous congestion due to mechanical cause. If there is a venous congestion due to mechanical cause, first remedy in injury to a deeper tissue. So this is the first remedy in injury to a deeper tissue after major surgical work. Injuries to nerve with intense soreness and intolerance of cold bathing. Okay, injuries to nerves with intense soreness, there is lot of soreness and intolerance of cold bathing. Okay, this patient cannot tolerate any type of cold bathing. Okay, at any time. Then debility of limbs after gout, mind impulse to move and indifference. They want to move and there is a indifference. Headache due to cerebral stasis, vertigo in elderly patients, headache from occiput to vertex. Try to understand the location. Occiput to vertex, forehead feel contracted, bruised, soreness. There is soreness, there is bruisedness. You will feel that arnica is going on, but this is really very similar to arnica. Bellis is really very similar to arnica, but it has been used for your deep tissues. Okay, itching around the scalp, over the back, worse from hot bath and bed. Stomach and abdomen, effects of cold ice drink when heated. Okay, when patient is coming from sunny environment and he is really feel that a lot of heat hot feeling, and just he had taken some cold or ice drink, it will lead to a problem, it will lead to a stomach problem. This is your belly spur. Okay, if the patient is coming from a cold environment, that heat environment, and he suddenly take any cold thing, and if it is lead to a body ache, you have to use Rustox. Okay, then soreness of abdominal wall and uterus, stitches in the spleen, sore and enlarged spleen, yellow painless diarrhea, aggravation at night and foul odor, bloated and rumbling in bowels. Okay, there is soreness of abdominal wall and uterus, stitches in spleen, the spleen is sore and enlarged, then yellow painless diarrhea at night and foul odor is there. There is a diarrhea, it leads to offensive odor, bloated and rumbling feeling in the bowels. Okay, skin, boils, ecchymosis, swelling, very sensitive to touch, just like your arnica. As I told you about arnica, it is really very sensitive to touch. Venous congestion due to mechanical causes, varicose vein with bruised sore feeling. Okay, exudations and swelling and acne. You can use this remedy for acne also. Sleep, wakes early in the morning and cannot get sleep again. This happens in a patient who get wakes early in the morning and they cannot sleep again. Extremities, joints are sore, muscular soreness is there, itching on back and flexor surface of the thighs, pain down anterior of thigh, wrist feel contracted as from elastic band around the joint, and sprains feel contracted as from elastic band around the joint, sprain with a great soreness, railway spine. Modality is aggravation by cold bathing, cold vein, injuries, sprains, warmth of bed before storm, and amelioration with continued motion. Okay, relationship, you can think about arnica, you can compare this remedy about arnica, arsenic, staphylococcus aureus, hemamelis and bryonia. So this is all about your belly spur. Okay, I will revise it again. Belly spur, This is flower of a belly spur. Okay, this look like this. The common name is daisy or woundwort or bruised wort. Family is composite. Then part use, the whole fresh plant has been used in this remedy. Habitat, it is commonly seen in Europe and mostly in a Great Britain. Okay, then Bellis perennis is the name translate from a Latin. Bellis means pretty. Okay, and perennis means forever. Okay, so pretty forever. Okay, you may know it as a lawn daisy. Okay, the common name of a daisy is corruptions of daisy. It means it will and it is reference to the way of flower closes the at night and open in the day, so it is called as daisy. Okay, the old name of woundwort or bruisewort shows one of the main sphere of action of the bellis and in the action with the follow composite arnica and calendula. Just about you can think about arnica and calendula, you also need to think about bellis. In ancient Rome, the surgeon who accompanied Roman legions into the battle would order their slave to pick sacks of full of daisies. It means belly spur in order to extract their juices. That is bellum, Latin word for war, may be the origin of this plant's scientific name. Bandages were soaked in the juice and would use them to bind swords and spear cuts. Okay, Bellis perennis flower has been used as a traditional medicine internally as a tea. But many people you have seen that they use many components in a tea. So bellis spur was a component for that tea, or other leaves as a salad for treatment of disorder of gastrointestinal and respiratory tract. Okay, sphere of action: blood vessels, hemorrhages and metastasis, nerves, injury with soreness, muscles and deeper tissues, sprain and bruise, swelling. Clinically, it has been used for acne, arteries disease of boils, brain softening of fatigue, that is your weakness, giddiness, then gout, headache, uh, indigestion, masturbation, psoriasis, railway spine, rheumatism, sleeplessness, spleen affections. Okay, there is enlargement of a spleen, stasis. There is a stasis, so this remedy is really useful remedy in your varicose vein. Understand it. Okay, then traumatism, tumor and varicosis. Injuries, blows, fall, railway spine leads to tumors near remote effect. This is your common elements from. Then cold drinks, cold getting wet when overheated, autotraumatism, excess masturbation leads to complaints. Okay, then keynotes in the first remedy in injury, deep tissues. Okay, deep tissues after major surgical work. Okay, this is the first remedy in an injury to deeper tissue after major surgical works. So major surgical operations, major surgical wounds can be covered with this remedy very easily. Okay, so as I had told you in a very first slide that we had used this remedy in cases with a C-section, and that patient who cannot walk within 4-5 days or 3 days, they started walking or they started moving about within 2 days only. Okay, so this tissue has really a great affinity to cure those deeper tissues cuts. Okay, there is a stasis, a period of a state of inactivity or equilibrium or fag, that is exhaustion is the keynote of remedy, stasis and fag. Okay, exudation, stasis, swelling, all kinds of varicose vein, engorgement of breast and uterus, cerebral stasis, etc. Traumatism of the pelvic organ with sore, bruised feeling. There is autotraumatism such as ill effects from masturbation, railway spine, traumatic neurosis, injury, muscular fibers of the blood vessels, soreness, lameness as if sprained, venous congestion due to mechanical causes. First remedy in injury to deeper tissue after major surgical works, injuries to nerve with intense soreness and intolerance of cold bathing, debility of limbs after gout. Then mind, impulse to move or indifference, headache due to cerebral stasis, vertigo in elderly people, headache from occiput to vertex, forehead feel contracted, bruised soreness, itching around the scalp, over back, worse from hot bath and bed, stomach and abdomen, effect of cold ice drink when heated, soreness of abdominal wall of uterus, stitches in spleen, sore and enlarged, Spleen is sore and enlarged. Yellow painless diarrhea which aggravates at night, and foul odor is there. There is bloated feeling in abdomen. There is rumbling in bowels. Skin boils, ecchymosis, swelling is there. Very sensitive to touch. Skin, you cannot touch the skin. Venous congestion due to mechanical causes. Varicose vein with bruised or sore feeling, exudation and swelling, acne is there. Spleen, sleep, this patient wake up early in the morning and then cannot get sleep again. Extremities, joints are sore, muscular soreness, itching on a back and flexor surface of the thigh, pain down anterior of thigh, wrist feel contracted as from elastic band around the joint, sprains, whenever part has been becomes, there is a sprain, that feel contracted as from an elastic band around joint, sprain with a great soreness, there is a railway spine, aggravation from cold bathing, cold wind, injuries from sprain, warmth of bed before storm, amelioration due to continued motion. You can compare this remedy with arnica, arsenic, staphylococcus aureus, hemamelis and bryonia. So this is all about your belly spur.